Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to copy layer style Photoshop. If we want to copy the style of a layer to another layer in another document, we can click on the layer and choose Copy Layer Style. After that, we will go to the other layer and also right-click on it. This time we will click on Paste Layer Style to apply it. Another faster option is to click on the effect element and drag it to the layer of the other document. Once there, we will release it and see how the layer style is applied. In case the layer is in the same document, we can do the same step from the Copy or Paste context menu or drag the style. On this occasion, to drag it, we will hold down the Alt key and drag the effect to the other layer. Once we release it, we will see the style duplicated and applied to the other layer. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.